Skirt on your body, performing just like my Rari. You're too fine, need a ticket. I bet you taste expensive. Pouring up about a liter. If you keeping up, you should keep it. Tequila and vodka, girl, you might be a problem. Run away, run away, run away, run away. I know that I should, but my heart wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay now.
Look who it is. Last vlog, every single time that I started it, I said, all right. Like I started with I, so we're not doing that this time. But Xander and I are at the beach, and we're in a big, massive house. But we're going to the beach right now to play spike ball. The shades, what do we got? What are we rocking? Oh. Oh. Are you bringing the JBL? Oh, that's right. But this house is like massive. So this is Xander's room, and he's got, I think this is a king, and then this is the first hallway. It goes all the way down. There's another room in there, closet. There's a bathroom. I don't know who's gonna use that bathroom. There's a pool room here, and it's got like pool table. Got a game. Play a game of Pac-Man real quick. Nope, I lost. My room is around the corner here, and this is, I don't know what size room this is, but you know, got the TV in the bathroom. Ooh, that's the wrong one. We got the tub, and then there's a shower, and there's that. The tub is kind of weird though, because it like had orange in it, so I'm not gonna take a bath there. But we're gonna head down to the beach, so I'll get some video of us going down there. Wow, Xander. Sir. Look at that. There are people right in front of our place. Are you kidding me? This view. Oh wow, look at that view. Alright, let's play some spike ball.
You can see it in my eyes that I wanna take it down right now if I could. So I hope you know what I mean when I say, let me take you dancing. Two-step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing. Like da 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 da. Skirt on your body, it's just us two in this party. That Louis, that Prada, looks so much better off you. Turn me up, be my waitress. No, we not in love, so let's make it. Tequila and vodka, girl, you might be a problem. Run away, run away, run away, run away. I know that I should, but my heart wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay now. You can see it in my eyes that I wanna take it down right now if I could. So I hope you know what I mean when I say, let me take you dancing. Two-step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor.
Woo! It's actually so relaxing, at least for the feet.
I don't know, man. It's pretty cold. We're heading back to the house. Give you guys a little tour.
From like here to there, or maybe further over.
Yeah. That's the backyard. The neighbors. So I wonder if theirs is heated. It's a little bit smaller. As a solid visit to the beach, we gotta go check out the elevator. Hold on. Hey. Oh, there we go. Take a pause. Oh, my toe!
It'd be pretty chill in here.
If we get space, if we get stuck,
we could just sit here, you know?
yeah, just sit on the ground. 24-hour challenge in the elevator.
We didn't press the button. Is that the one? You almost demolished your girlfriend.
I forgot that wall's there. Come here, puppy. Come here. Look at that massive TV. How big that thing is. It's massive, Xander.
It's very huge.
Are we getting the hot tub with those?
Sure.
Alright. Alright, Xander, have fun changing.
No.
Might go pay a visit. Back to Pac-Man.
Let's see.
We're in the hot tub, and you know, we got the view. I think next we're gonna eat lunch.
What's going?
Dude, our feet are like crusty.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Crusty. Guys, I just got out of the shower. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I don't know what he's chilling on, but you know, that's cool. There's a horse in the backyard. What? Okay, so a lot of time has passed. We're at the top of the house.
8 o'clock almost.
8 o'clock. So we're eating good. We got ribs, steak, potatoes, and egg salad.
A crispy, oh yeah.
But we're gonna sit down and enjoy some dinner. Nice view. And then we're gonna do some sunset cinematics. Well, that's unfortunate. The sunset is supposed to be over there, but you see a little bit of pink, but there's no actual sunset. We just flew Bessie to life. We're hopping in the pool. We were in the hot tub, but it was too hot, so we were like, well, let's just get in the pool. All right, Xander, you going in?
Sure.
There she glows. We're in the house playing some pool. Today kind of sucks because it said it was gonna rain and then it like drizzled for a little bit. And now it's clear outside and we like got showers and stuff, so we would just stay inside the rest of the night. And now it's nice outside. We might go back out, I don't know. All right, we're at the beach. Oh, the lens is blurry. Dude, it is freaking cold. We're gonna play some more spike ball in the freezing cold. Let me clean the lens real quick. Whenever you're ready. Oh, let's go, dude. Let's go.
Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing.
Like that, 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 that,
If you know what I mean.
Oh boy. You made that. Okay, I'm not condoning Xander to do this at all, but he's up on the next deck. We did it from there, and like the GoPro makes it look less high than it is. Just to put it into perspective. I mean, it's definitely not like a small drop, and the pool's only like 5 feet tall. Oh boy.
Easy. I didn't even touch the one. Let's go.
Easy.
There's two back.
Hurry.
Kick my mom.
I don't get the fascination behind the horses. I swear the sun is more attractive than these horses. Dude, it is like insanely nice out. We finally have a clear sunset for once. The house is kind of blocking it, but it's all good. Today's the last day. Not really. We're coming to the beach tomorrow, but today is the last day in the house. Ooh, ooh, Xander. Okay, Xander, the time has come.
You're rolling?
Yeah.
Before we go in, we gotta get that cooking. You know?
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, no hesitation. Oh shoot, I'm dead. Sheesh. We got Doritos too. Oh, look at a sip out of that. Ooh.
That's good.
Sparkling water never disappoints. A lot of people don't like it, but
Good.
yeah.
Let me take you dancing. Two-step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking. Let me take you dancing. Two-step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing.
Like that, that, that.
Xander and I are enjoying the last day of the vacation.
The last evening.
We're walking over this tower thingy that we're going to at the beginning of the week, but we never did. Look at that. Well, we found out that it's like right next to that house, so we probably can't go in it, but we're still gonna walk up to it. Let's run up here. Look at that sunset. They got the beach over there. So we finished up packing for the leaving the vacation. So what I'm gonna do quick is I'm gonna hop on the laptop, and we have a ride Sunday, Xander and I, so I'm gonna download the ride GPS route for that.
Let me take you dancing. Two-step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing. Oh, babe. Oh, babe. If you know what I mean. Yeah. All night. Dancing.
All right, we made it home, Xander.
Back.
Home free Pennsylvania. Oh baby, here she is. Oh, my baby.
Da 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 da.
Jason Derulo. Pull up skirt on your body. Performing just like my Rari. You're too fine, need a ticket. I bet you taste expensive. Pouring up about a liter. If you keeping up, use a keeper. Tequila and vodka. Girl, you might be a problem. Run away, run away, run away, run away. I know that I should, but my heart wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay.